This is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Monday, 16th of March. We're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. This is the 4-week chart. As you can see, the price has actually broke a new low again, but we are seeing a retracement right now. So zooming into 1-hourly chart, price is currently seen resisted by the 20 moving average. Right, but we can also expect the price might retrace a little bit if we base on this falling trend over here. So somewhere when it close to 55 moving average at the falling trend line, we can expect the price may get resisted, and this could be a short opportunity for the intraday to continue to short the euro against the US dollar. So if we got resistor starts to fall, the next resistance level the key resistance level we're looking at is at the price of 1.0185, which is the bottom of the falling trend channel based on the weekly chart itself. Right, as you can see over here, so here's the bottom. Alright, so overall we are still expecting price to fall even further, technically and fundamentally. So that's for the euro against the US dollar. If you place above, the next resistance level will be at 1.0639, previous resistance over here. So next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Alright, so what happened is the price did start to fall as it got resisted, as it almost touches the resistance level at 0.7449, retracement level is 1.8%. However, it got exhausted and appreciated this morning. So zooming the 1-hourly chart, we can see the price did break above a falling trend line, and then we are expecting price might actually retrace even further back to the same resistance level. So the key resistance level we are actually looking at is somewhere at 0.7414 to 0.7441. So this region itself could provide another short opportunity for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. We are expecting price to fall all the way back to the previous low at 0.7193. At the same time, we are also expecting price to fall even further as it drops, as it falls within the falling trend channel itself. We're waiting for price to fall all the way back to the bottom of the falling trend channel, or rather key resistance level at 0.7012. Right, so right now just wait for price to retrace further in the 1-hourly charts and to spot the short opportunity over here. Alright, next we have the pound against the US dollar. If price fell, got supported at the key support level at 1.4704. At the same time, price has also broken below support level 1.4811, given expansion level of 141.4%, as well as it has also broke below a falling trend, a probable falling trend channel. So we are waiting for price to retrace back to the bottom of the probable falling trend channel, as well as the previous support level at 1.4811 to wait for a short opportunity all the way back to the previous low at 1.4704, and further lower will be at 1.4623, previous expansion level 141.4%. So overall, we are still expecting price to fall further, especially it has already broken below probable the bottom of the probable falling trend channel. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Just wait for price to retrace back to this level. Next, we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Alright, so price also did fell last week, Friday, as it got resisted at 0.7712. Right now, we are seeing the price is retracing at the moment. So based on the 1-hourly chart, we are also waiting for price to retrace further. Alright, based on the trend line itself, it is about to hit the falling trend line. So this could be the first resistance level. If we breaks above, then we are expecting price to retrace back to the 200 moving average or back to the resistance level 0.7712 to look for a short opportunity. Alright, if we zoom in the 15-minute chart, we can wait for price to get resisted again at the falling trend line to go for a short opportunity. Of course, thereafter will be all the way back to the resistance level at 0.7712. Expecting price to fall all the way back to 0.7587. Feeble expansion 161.8%. And of course, overall, we are expecting price to fall even lower as it falls within the falling trend channel itself. So that's for Aussie against the US dollar. Next, we have dollar against the Japanese yen. So we are still seeing the price is kind of was a little changed, and it is still consolidating. Zooming the 1 hourly charts, we can wait for price to fall back to the support level at 121.02 to look for a long opportunity. Overall, we are still expecting dollar against Japanese yen to appreciate further, for the price to appreciate further as it moves towards the top of the rising trend channel. So first level, when we're long at support level 121.02, we can wait for price to hit 121.88. This is the first level, followed by 122.39, feeble expansion 1.4%, and last but not least, top of the rising trend channel itself. So that's for dollar against Japanese yen. Finally, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. So again, price is consolidating. Alright, so what we can expect is for price to fall back to the support level at 1.00. Alright, the sentiment price to look for a long opportunity. We do see that there's support previously at this price as well. So we are still expecting price to appreciate further all the way back to the previous high at 1.0217, or rather the previous resistance. The previous high was at 1.0240. So alright, we are still waiting for price to appreciate further. Of course, as it touches the previous high, we can expect a form of retracement, expect price to fall, and that could give a intraday short. But overall, we are still expecting price to appreciate much further. So that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And last but not least, I would like to touch on the Aussie against the Japanese yen. So in the weekly chart, as I have always been mentioning, there was a rising trend channel. Price got supported at the bottom, and it starts to rebound, but we are seeing some retracement over here. So zooming in the 4-hourly charts, we do see the price has been registered by the 200 moving average. Right now, we are seeing we're still seeing consolidation over here. So in the 4-hourly chart itself, we could wait for price to fall all the way back to the bottom of the rising trend channel in the weekly chart to wait for a major long. Or if not, when price got registered at 200 moving average, again we can go for intraday shorts as we see price is consolidating in a symmetrical triangle manner. Alright, this is what I mean. So it really depends on whether price breaks above or breaks below. If it breaks above, we are expecting price to resume its appreciation with first resistance level at 93.81. If it breaks lower, we shall wait for price to reach the bottom of the rising trend channel. Alright, so that is for the Aussie against the Japanese yen, and that's all for today. So thank you for watching. I will see you again.